Are you looking for a simple and healthy recipe? Well, I've got one here for you that you need to try. This is a chicken, pico de gallo, and sweet plantain bowl. This is easy to make. Let me show you how to make it. You're going to need 2 sweet plantains, ripened, and you're going to peel them like this. Slice them in 1/2 inch pieces, and they should look like this. To a medium-high heat skillet, you want to add your sweet plantains. Bring them to a sizzle, but be careful not to burn them. Keep turning them so they don't stick until they turn brown, and you can see how gorgeous that they look. This is the color that you're looking for. Now let's make our pico de gallo. You're going to need 3 firm plum tomatoes diced, a 1/4 cup of diced red onion, add some cilantro, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well. Then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and you're going to stir that really well. This is what your pico should look like. You can add more cilantro if needed. Look how delicious that this looks. Let's make this avocado cilantro dressing, which is the real star of this recipe. Let's start out with 2 tablespoons of avocado cheese, 1 and 2. Next, you want to add 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, not the flavored kind, not the vanilla kind, but the plain Greek yogurt. Next, you're going to add 3 garlic cloves and also some chopped cilantro. Add 1/2 of an avocado, and if you love avocado, you can add the whole thing. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and put the lid on, blend this really well. I used my Ninja. You can also add some lime juice to this avocado cilantro dressing, and this is the consistency you're looking for. And I tell you, this tasted amazing. I added 2 chicken breasts to a Ziploc gallon bag and added about 2 tablespoons of mustard, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a little bit of garlic powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Lastly, I added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to the bag and mixed it up really well. This is a great method because your hands don't get dirty. Add your chicken to a medium-high heat skillet and cook it carefully. You want to make sure that it doesn't burn, and you want to keep the chicken moving, turn it, so you get good caramelization going on. Turn the heat down and finish cooking your chicken thoroughly. We're going to build this protein bowl on a bed of arugula that was tossed in olive oil and a little bit of red wine vinegar. We're going to put our avocado cilantro lime dressing in the center, and we're going to add our pico de gallo goes next, 2, maybe even 3 tablespoons of this delicious pico de gallo. Next, we're going to add our sweet plantains. You don't need to add any salt. You don't need to add any sugar to these plantains. They are naturally sweet and outstanding. Lastly, we're going to add our chicken. More than 32 grams of protein comes from these 2 chicken breasts here. Look at that amazing color. And this is going to finish our protein bowl with this avocado cilantro lime dressing. This is a simple, easy recipe and high protein. Top off with some chopped cilantro, and this is a delicious dinner for any night of the week. Thank you for watching another edition of Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals. And if you like this delicious high protein chicken bowl recipe, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Make sure you click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And we'd appreciate if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals.